Hi, my name is Zubair Ansari. I'm the CTO for Science System. In this video, I'm going to give an overview of Active Directory Manager Pro functionality. To begin with, to install Active Directory Manager Pro, the system requirements are you need to have Windows Server 2012 or 2008 or 2016, access to Active Directory, any of the 2000 onward directory will work, database, IIS configured, and .NET versions. Briefly, Active Directory Manager Pro allows you to lower cost of operation, improve security, and enforces policies and helps prove compliance. It centralizes access and provides a single point of access for Active Directory and other LDAP management. It automates the user provisioning and deprovisioning. It has full reporting, auditing, workflow attestation, template-based management, delegation, ACL management, and many other such functions. In addition, you can manage your Office 365, and it has Workbench for PowerShell commandlet as well. Let's Optionally, it has a full-fledged provisioning solution which accepts feeds from your system of record, whether it be school information system or human resource, and on a nightly basis it automates the user and their access provisioning, and of course deprovisioning based on the rules and business logic you define. The other optional product is it has the ability to track every change that happens to Active Directory that can be used for security purposes, troubleshooting, and for compliances. Let's take a quick look at how the Active Directory Manager Pro works. I've done a fresh install, and I'm going to start with the first step. After the installation, you get an icon on the desktop. You click on it, and the application opens. The first step is to log in as an admin. The username is admin and the password is admin by default, and you log in. After the login, the first step is to configure the domain, and so that you can manage the domain. So I'm going to add a domain here. This is a higher privilege account that the application uses to connect to Active Directory and manage. I need to get the name of the domain controller. And once I enter the domain controller, to the fetch, and I'll save this configuration. Now the first step of Active Directory Manager Pro configuration is completed. Once you configure it, you can see many functions that you can perform, and it's building a dashboard. You can perform the management functions like user, container, computer, OU, group, GPO, contact, password. Okay, and GPO, contact, password, exchange management, schema, site, other security aspects, ACL management, replication, and other functions. You can also do search-based management. You can search on specific objects, and based on the results, you can do modification, addition, deletion, and other actions. We have a whole bunch of reports, more than 300 reports out of the box that you can customize and generate more reports. These reports can be exported to many different formats, and each of these on the left side menu you see user, password, OUs, groups, etc. has many reports that gives you deep insight into the directory. It has the delegation model. This is where you can define the delegation model, the administrative function along with the attestation, workflows. It has 4-stage workflow. You can enter single or more forest and domains. It has PowerShell workbench. Here you can enter your PowerShells and you can save it and you can share the PowerShell scripts with other colleagues. You can manage generic LDAP also. This is a sort of brief of what Active Directory Manager Pro is capable of. If you have installed the optional provisioning solution, then you will see a provisioning option here that you can use to automate the process of user creations and user modification, deletion, and access based on the feed from HR or system of record. Hope you liked the video. Thank you. You can go to our site www.sciencesystems.com and download Active Directory Manager Pro and provisioning and other optional products with it. Thank you.